Hey guys, it's Anderson here, and this is the Philips 12 watt curved T-bulb that I have purchased from flipkart.com at this price of 261, and it is on offer. So this is another popular bulb, and this is the new version of the T-bulb that is curved, which display the light all over your room. And this is the box pack, how it looks, and it is just normal box plug, just like any other T-bulb of Philips. It is written the 12 watt T-bulb with eye comfort, wider light, and difference between normal light and better light speed of T-bulb. It has a swivel body action, is plug and play, and there is a star rating, 3-star rating. Its lumen is 1100. There's something more information about that, some sticker, some more information. Its MRP is 319, and there is the toll-free number where you can claim your warranty. It has 1 year of warranty. You need to preserve the bill, and it is written more specification. It works from 220 volt to 240 volt, 50 Hz, made in India product, and there's B22 holder. That means Indian standard. The mount is adjustable. You can adjust at any angle. Adjust this holder to make it fit at perfect position. So nothing to show more. This is the normal T-bulb from Philips. Just difference is that this is curved one and normal one comes with straight version. So however, let's plug on the holder and see how it works and how bright it is. So guys, there on the holder I have installed the Philips 12 watt curved T-bulb, and here you can see. Now I'm gonna switch on and see how the light quality is. And yes, this is the light quality, and this room is about 5 feet by 6 feet room. So this is a small kitchen room, and light intensity is quite bright for this small room. This 12 watts is helpful for this kind of small room. If you have big room, then go for 20 watt or 30 watt bulb, because for small room this is enough. The bulb has good quality of intensity. The buy link is in the description below, so please check it out if you wish to buy. So that was all about the unboxing, review and light test. I hope you liked it. Please give a like and share and comment. I hope to meet you next video. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye guys.